Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 70 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down until we will find the option System. Then let's tap on Backup, and we will be automatically transferred to this Google account section. So just tap on Next and tap on Add Account. If you've got your Google account added to the device, it will appear here on this list. If not, you have to add it. So tap on Add Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on Next. So right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. All right, and tap on Next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and then tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here let's tap on newly added account, and here we can choose what kind of data we'd like to back up. So it's up to you, you can mark both. I will choose only other device data and tap on confirm. And as you can see, we just successfully added our account to the device, to this backup section. You can also tap on other device data, and here you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it, you've got backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, and advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. So to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now, and now your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.